Welcome to this video on the Swift programming language, a modern and powerful language developed by Apple. Swift is a modern language focusing on performance, safety, and ease of use. It's approachable for beginners with clean, readable syntax and an interactive environment. The simplest program to print text is just print, "Hello World." In Swift, we use let for constants, which are immutable, and var for variables, which are mutable. Swift uses type inference, but you can explicitly declare types if needed. Note that explicit type conversion is required, as Swift does not allow implicit conversion. Strings in Swift support string interpolation using variable to embed values directly within a string. This feature simplifies creating dynamic text. Additionally, multi-line strings are supported using triple quotes. Arrays are ordered collections of the same type, and dictionaries are unordered key-value pairs. Both are generic and flexible, allowing modification after initialization. For instance, you can modify an array element or add a new entry to a dictionary. Control flow uses the "if" statement for conditional execution. A key Swift feature is if-let for safely unwrapping optionals, ensuring a value exists before accessing it. This helps in writing concise and safe conditional expressions. Swift's switch statements are powerful and do not fall through by default. They can match various patterns, including specific values, types, ranges, and conditions using "where." This provides a readable alternative to multiple if-else blocks. Swift offers "for-in" for iterating over collections and sequences, while loops for repeating code based on a condition, and repeat while to execute code at least once. Loops are essential for repetitive operations and iterating through data. Functions, declared with func, are first-class citizens and can have parameters and return values. They support external parameter names for clarity. Closures are self-contained blocks of functionality, similar to anonymous functions. You've learned about constants, variables, type inference, arrays, dictionaries, string interpolation, and control flow using if, switch, and loops. Functions and closures were also covered, providing tools for organization and reusability. This example shows a simple Swift program that iterates over an array of names using a for-in loop and uses string interpolation to print a dynamic greeting for each person.